Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Johneboukalis and I'm with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Today's video is going to be about how's the market? And that is a question that real estate agents get asked all the time. It's the most common question that real estate agents get asked. So I'm gonna share a little tip about how the real estate market is for May, June, early summer of 2020. Right now, there's not a lot of houses on the market. The demand for houses is greatly outpacing supply for houses. So what that causes multiple offers, lots of bidding wars. I've seen a house go for $50,000 over list price. So my tip that I would give to homeowners right now, if you've been thinking about selling, but you've been planning on waiting until after the pandemic or planning on waiting until after the summer, waiting until things calm down a little bit to sell your house, that's fine. Just know that everybody else is waiting for that too. So once people start to feel a little more comfortable, a whole bunch of houses are gonna hit the market. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna increase supply and lower demand. Right now there's such little supply of homes that if you need minor repairs done, like landscaping, you need new paint, you need a little fix up here and there, that doesn't matter anymore. Your house is gonna be market ready no matter what, just because there's not a lot of stuff to choose from. One thing that I know for sure is that in the near future, everything will calm down a little bit, people will get more confidence, and everybody's gonna start selling their house at the same time. And that's gonna bring everybody's home price down a little bit. So yeah, that's my tip. If you've been thinking about selling, do it now, don't wait. Thanks for watching. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you have any questions, let me know. See you guys next time.